divided by 2 in bracket 2 plus 2. Answer is not 1. कैसे कुछ लोगों का आंसर 1 आता है? 8 divided by 2 will be written as it is. First we will solve bracket 2 plus 2 4 in bracket, and then they multiply directly this, and 8 divided by 8 is 1. But this answer is wrong. What will be the right answer? The correct way to solve is 8 divided by 2. First we will solve this bracket. 2 plus 2, 4. Now we will open the bracket. That means 2. कोई sign नहीं है यहाँ पे. So we will apply multiply here. So we will multiply these two numbers. And now we will solve division first. 8 divided by 2 is 4 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 16. This is our right answer.